to Nowitzki. Shot clock down to 4.
Oh, goodness.
You know, Marvin did a decent job.
Eight-man game. Twirling Nowitzki, cans it.
Quick foul on Miami here to start out the second quarter. Now Dirk over pass.
Mavericks have cooled off just a little bit. Novak again guarding Nowitzki one-on-one. He fades away and he's
fantastic. Final player to make the roster. Nowitzki off balance. That's just a great shot.
Dallas Mavericks losing 2 starters. First Chandler Parsons, a former Rocket, out after game 1. This is Dirk Nowitzki. Beautiful fake in the step.
Started tonight with Parsons out. Jefferson's 13th start of the season. Dirk even over 2 defenders, still hits the shot.